Now let us study about rounding off. Okay, calculators will show many decimal places when you do division or multiplication sometimes. Okay, it's our duty to round off the numbers so that it gives more meaningful way. Okay, let us study the rules for rounding off. Let us study the rules for rounding off. If the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit should be left unchanged. Okay, that's the first one. See this number here, 7.32 is rounded off to 7.3. That means the digit you must drop. So you will drop this 2 here. Okay, so we'll drop the 2 here. So this number is less than 5. So leave it as it is. We get here 7.3. Then second example, that is 8.94 is rounded off to 8.9. How? Because 4 is less than 5. Okay, so you just round off this 4 here and we leave it out. Okay, it's less than 5, so leave that. Next one, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. Okay, that means see this number here, 17.26. okay, what happens, this 6 is no, this is more than 5. Okay, 6 is more than 5, so what you must do, you just leave it, okay, and round it off, okay, and make it as 17.3. Next number you see 11.89. okay, is rounded off to 11.9. how? Because see the last digit here, this digit is 9 here now. Okay, this number is more than 5, so you make this one increase 1 here. Okay, so 11.9 will come. Then third one, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by the digits other than 0, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. Okay, see this number here. So what happens is 7.352, okay, on being rounded off to the first decimal becomes 7.4. okay, so how it becomes is, see this number rule here, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digits other than 0, so 5 is there. Okay, we must leave out 5. Okay, round off 5 here, leave it 5 here, and after 5 we have 2 here. Okay, so you make this increase by 1. Okay, that's how it becomes 7.4. after 5 some numbers must come. Next one you see 18.159 on being rounded off to the first decimal becomes 18.2. how? Because see this number here, after 5 we have 9 there. Okay, so there are some numbers after 5, so you can make it as 18.2. okay, next one, fourth rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or followed by 5 or followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. Okay, so this is an even odd rule. Let's see this now. So see the last number here, this number is 5. okay, we must round off 5 here. Okay, make it to and 3.4. what happens we'll see now. See the last number, it is, you must drop out 5. okay, but you see this 4 is an even number, so just leave it as it is. Okay, so for even numbers leave it as it is. Next one, 8.250, okay, is rounded off to 8.2. how? Because just see here, this 5 is there now. Okay, you must round off this 5. 5 is special number. Okay, so 2 is there, means what you must do, just leave it as it is. Okay, so even numbers leave them. Next one we'll see odd row. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. Okay, so the digit to be dropped is 5. so let's see this example here, 3.35. okay, so you must drop this. Okay, it is 5 or 5 followed by zeros. Okay, and see the number before that, 3 is there now, 3.35. okay, so before 5 we have 3. 3 is an even odd number. Okay, so in this case if there's an odd number means you have to make it as 3.4. okay, next one, 8.350 is rounded off to, they say, 8.4. how? Because see this number here, 5 is there. Okay, and then you must round off this 5. see after 5 we have 0 also. Okay, and see this number here, 3 is an odd number. Okay, so you can make 3 as 4 here, so 8.4 will come. So this is about the rules for rounding off.